Okay, let's analyze the final chart. The xauusd Gold M15 15-minute chart. Observations. Recent price action. The M15 chart provides the most detailed view of the recent price fluctuations. We can see a mix of green and red candles, indicating continued volatility and indecision. There is a sharp bearish move leading into the market close, with a series of red candles. The price is hovering around the 2,985.76 level, with a slight downward bias. There are wicks indicating price rejection at certain levels. Key levels. The 3,000.00 level remains a strong resistance. The 2,980.00 level is still acting as a short-term support. The 2,985.76 level is a key pivot point. Overall trend. The M15 chart shows a short-term bearish bias, especially leading into the close. The overall trend is still unclear, as the price is fluctuating within a narrow range. Comparison to M30, H1, H4, and D1. The M15 chart reinforces the idea of indecision and volatility seen in the higher timeframes. It provides the most detailed view of the bearish push leading into the close. Initial impressions. The M15 chart confirms that the bears are gaining some momentum in the very short term. The price is likely to test the 2,980.00 support level. The market being closed is still important to remember. Trading strategy suggestion based on the analysis. Disclaimer: this is not financial advice. Trading involves risk, and you should always do your own thorough research and consider your risk tolerance. Strategy: potential short-term bearish bias. Rationale: the lower time frames, M30, M15, show a clear bearish push leading into the market close. The price is hovering around a key pivot point, 2,985.76, and appears to be under pressure. The 2,980.00 level is a potential support level that could be tested. Potential trade setup. 1. Wait for market open. Observe the price action at the market open to see if the bearish momentum continues. 2. Potential short entry. If the price breaks below 2985.76 with confirmation, e.g., a strong bearish candle, consider a short entry. 3. Stop loss. Place a stop loss above a recent high or above the 2,990.00 level to manage risk. 4. Target profit. Aim for a target profit near the 2,980.00 support level. 5. Risk management. Use proper risk management techniques, such as limiting the amount of capital you risk on each trade. Important considerations. Market open gap. Be aware of potential price gaps at the market open, which could affect your trade. News events. Pay attention to any upcoming news events that could impact the price of gold. Confirmation. Wait for confirmation of the bearish move before entering a trade. Higher time frames. Remember that the higher time frames, D1, H4, still show a bullish bias, so be cautious with short trades. Alternative scenario. If the price bounces off the 2,985.76 level and breaks above the 2,990.00 level, consider a potential long entry. Remember, this is just a suggested strategy based on the analysis of the charts you provided. Always do your own due diligence and trade with caution.